Hey y'all, so it's me back with a video, period. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified when I post, because just watch me. So today I'm be doing this quick but easy middle part ponytail. But I'm be using my little phony puff that I got from the beauty supply store for, I think it was $9. It was $9 and some change. I got it in a 8-inch. So that's what it look like. So I'm gonna make a middle part and mold down my hair. Leave-in conditioner by Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Gonna take our moisture rich hair butter. So how's y'all week going? Like how's school and things? How's your jobs? How is your relationships going? Gonna just split it down the middle here so I get a better detangle. Take our scrunchie. I got these scrunchies from Dollar Tree for $1 and it doesn't have the little metal in the middle, so it won't be snagging on your hair. And my water bottle, I got this from Dollar Tree as well. It came in a travel size kit with 2 other bottles. The one where you can put the oil in and squeeze it out, and then it has this one and another bottle that you can take and squeeze the oil out. So spray. Okay, so hey you guys, so right here is the part where I'm just moisturizing my hair with water, and next I'm just taking my Denman brush and I'm brushing through each section of my hair and detangling some more. So I just sped past this part because it's important. It's very important, but at the same time, y'all know how to detangle. So you just take the water and you spray it on each side. Take your Denman brush, you'll brush it out from your ends to your roots. And make sure you detangle your hair very well for this process, because once you put the gel and the shining jam, you have to make sure it's very smooth and flat. And right here I'm just taking my rat tail comb and parting my hair in the back. So yeah, will be the shining jam with honey, and I'll be using my Ampro styling gel, and I'll tie it down with my 2 scarves for 10 minutes. Okay, so one section off the back. Okay, so hey you guys, I'm back. I'm just taking my hair and I'm parting it in half and putting the top in a ponytail. So in the back, I'll be taking my shiny jam, about that much, and I'll be parting it going straight across and just applying the shining jam and the Ampro style gel. And you continue to do this until you get all the way up for the style. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so at this point, I'm just constantly repeating the process of applying the gel and applying the jam to each section so my parts can be nice and slick for the puff. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so you go to the middle part. You can do your middle part however you want to do. You know, spice it up, add some zigzags, or do a little wavy thing in the middle. It's up to you. I just did my ass going straight down. So for this, you gonna need water. But I feel like when you use more water, it helps the gel get your hair a little bit more sleeker. Gonna spray, 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 spray. Spray, spray, spray. Okay, so it's gonna take a small section right here. Just gonna do it till we all the way to the top. So gel. Shiny gel. I'm gonna do the other side, tie up my hair, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so hey guys, I'm back from having my hair tied up for 10 minutes. But I also blow dried it on low for extra 5 minutes. Okay, so this is what it looked like. Still gonna have to go in with some more shining gel. Okay, so this is what it look like. Turn around so I can see the back. Nothing major. Okay, so now we're gonna take our little phony pony. It comes with a drawstring, and it has two combs. Okay, so first we're just gonna put it over our small little bun. Gonna stick one comb in at the bottom, then take another comb, stick it in at the top. Then we're gonna take this drawstring right here and pull it so it can get tight. And then we're gonna take this little piece and we're just gonna wrap it around. I'm just gonna hide it under. Just like this. A little cute little middle high puff. Turn around so you can see the back. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And please make sure